Rulani Mokoena adwuma no. Na adwuma na wagyae no. Na oye the head coach for MC Algiers. MC Algiers is one of the top clubs in Africa. Now, oko the Algerian league no mu dia. O ma say El Ali and aso ma say Kotoko no. Wagyae adwuma na me no kase wo se onye adwuma ni bio. Na Rulani Mokoena no in recent years wako coach El Ali da. Wako coach Sundowns. And na at this particular time no, in recent times no, wako adwuma no MC Algiers. MC Algiers is a big African club. Na over the years no, omono eba from te say ye Kotoko ya. And na wako pejanioma. Na after lifting things no, and no the adwuma na to so onye bio. Kubasa Asante Kotoko afa new board. Kubasa Asante Kotoko be fa new CEO. Oba Kubasa Asante Kotoko ana. E asemisa, hano man ka se blog man de usori ana obeye stories bia. E that time Kotoko pe coach. Rulani Mokoena no. MC Algiers for that confirm say omo na man kwan after say ono ka say oko na omo grante no. Algeria league na omo bono aka 4 games. No omo boy wi only do with 5 points. Enra me no ka say enra omo bobo. Omo share FC Padamo 2-0. After say all record 2-0 we wi no. Enna or announce say adwuma no we jai or the ato. Enna MC Algiers for no so abe confirm say no kre waka kire omo say ontimi to aso bio nti okotoa ba bi susu e ba bi fufuo. Na we coach na bako say mu a why adwuma o South Africa ho no o South Africa ni enna okọ North Africa enna wako use North African clubs na enna say no I was oba West Africa there also oba na obeba West Africa ye busa say Asante Kotoko enna oba na no credit say coach our coach El Ali Sundowns near the ade no where akatua fianga de Kotoko coaches in recent years but in recent years Kotoko coaches omunja akatua fiang nanu ya Ogum no just somewhere around 400 million Ghana Titiscano 400 million nanu ya Karim Zito buy on also around 400 million hey Kotoko coaches je inti sa sebia Kotoko betima sign it he's one of the best in Africa. He's one of the best. Say so Kotoko pe coach. But nkomodie ne say Kotoko be pe broni. We no oye bibini ba oye foreigner.